In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add client portals in Wix. By the end, you'll have a secure space on your site where clients can log in and access content meant just for them. First, head to wix.com and log into your account. You'll find a link right at the top of the description for quick access. Once you're in, go to My Sites and choose the website where you want to add the client portal. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're opening the correct one to avoid editing the wrong project. Next, open the Wix editor by clicking Edit Site. Give it a moment to load fully. This is where we'll set up everything visually, so it helps to keep your site structure in mind. Navigation, pages, and where you want clients to land after they sign in. Now let's enable the Members area, which powers your client portal. In the left sidebar, click Add Apps, search for Members area, and add it to your site. This automatically adds login, sign up, and My Account pages, so clients can create accounts and access protected content. You can customize the look and feel later to match your brand, and if you need tighter control, you can adjust sign up and privacy settings inside the Members area settings. If you need the Wix website link again, remember it's at the very top of the description. With membership enabled, create a private page that will act as the portal. Add a new page and set its permissions to members only, or limit it to specific member roles if you already use roles for different client types. Give the page a clear name like Client Portal, and consider hiding it from your main menu so only logged-in users with permission can find it. You can still link to it from emails or dashboards. Add your client content to this page. You can upload files like PDFs, post project updates, embed dashboards, or create sections for deliverables and messages. If you serve different clients or tiers, tailor visibility using member roles so each group sees exactly what they should. Keep your content organized with headings and clear labels, and avoid posting any sensitive information that shouldn't live on a website. Finally, preview and test. Use Preview to see the flow, then log in as a member to confirm permissions work correctly and the portal looks right. Open a live site in a separate browser or private window to simulate a real client experience. When everything checks out, click Publish to make it live. That's it. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.